Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Jonah Kagen. I believe we had Jonah on this channel before. If not, this is really about time, a great artist, and I'm enjoying a lot of his songs. This is one of them, Same Win. Alright, so we're gonna go just 4 chords, that is what's going on. They're rolling the same way through the entire song. Fits guitar very well, so let's dive into this one. No need for any capo, so let's go right into the chords. And we're gonna work with a couple of bar chords, but we're gonna start easy with E first. So that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Now we have the G sharp minor. So you place your index finger on the 4th fret and you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. We have the B. We're gonna work with the sus version, a little bit easier, and it doesn't hurt too much, not really actually. So you're gonna have this index finger on the 2nd fret, and you push down 5 strings, all strings except for the last E string. You don't need that one. And then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. And then the final chord is the F sharp. So it's a bar chord, still index finger on the 2nd fret. This time you need to push down all strings there. And then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. So there you have the chords, and we're gonna play them in the same order we learned. So E, G sharp, B, and F sharp. So we have a strumming pattern. It's pretty long, but yeah, once you get it, you had a feeling for it. So we're gonna learn it with the first E chord. So grab that one, and one string around goes like this. Okay, so basically what this is, it's first 3 downs. And I like to play bass, and then full downstroke, okay? So that means first 2 downs, you play a bit more on the bass strings only, so, and then the 3rd, 1 full down, okay? So that's how the strumming starts. And then it ends with down, up for 5 times. So it goes like this, and then that is 1 string around, okay? But then to get it to the next level, we have certain ups and downs in this 5 down ups we want to highlight, okay? So you play first the 3 downs, and then when you come to the down up parts, you're gonna play down, up, up. That second up there, you wanna really have an extra kick on that one, okay? So down, up, up. And then you continue with down, up, and then the 4th down. You give an extra kick on that down as well, and fulfill it strumming with up, down, up. So at 2 times there, 2 points, you wanna give an extra kick. You have first the 3 downs, bass, top, and then comes the 5 down ups. So you're gonna play down, up, extra kick there, and then down, up, and then down, up. So if I exaggerate a little bit now, just for you to understand where we're gonna play some extra to it, you're gonna play like this. So again, down, up, down, up. And in tempo, a little bit faster, it goes like this. A couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm, it goes like this. Okay, and the standard tempo, I believe, is a little bit faster than that. And you're gonna play one of these strumming rounds per chord. Same chord progression, E, G sharp, B, and F sharp. It goes like this. that's what's up with Jonah Kagen's Same Wind. All right, so nice song. Give it a try, and if you enjoyed it, then you have to subscribe to this channel, of course, and be a part of this family. Perhaps like this tutorial if you have already subscribed. So yeah, thank you for the support, guys, and till next time, play tuned.